Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bakes Racing channel. We got a crazy Memorial Day weekend going and we kind of need to do a lot of stuff. We need to move in and out some of our cars and bring in Kaylin's car for a new brake job, and we need to drain the fuel out of it because we're going to be switching it over to alcohol. But before we get too far on this stuff, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And for subscribing, I'll show you guys this picture of a 10mm socket you lost 10 years ago. We're hoping to have a big family get together tonight, and we're going to be getting the Blackstone grill out to be able to cook for everyone. It's going to be a pretty busy weekend. We got Anthony and Vanessa going over to Christina and Austin Miller's wedding, which will be very fun for them. We'll be checking in on them later. But before we can enjoy our day off, we got to get some stuff done.
With the downtime that we have decided to put new brake calipers and a new master cylinder on Kaylin's and Anthony's car. Over the seasons, these things see a lot of abuse, and it's always nice to keep fresh calipers and a fresh master cylinder on the cars. I noticed when I was driving Kaylin's car last weekend at a test day that the brakes didn't seem as good as what I would like to see them. And at some of the tracks we go to, the shutdowns can be pretty short. So now's the time, before we get into the thick of the racing season, to get some new calipers put on these and a new master cylinder, and the brakes will be as good as brand new.
While Jesse's taking care of this master cylinder, let's go check in on how Anthony's doing. Vanessa and I had to head down to Steamboat Rock, Iowa, for Christina and Austin Miller's wedding. It was a really great time down there. We spent a lot of time with Vanessa's side of the family. Austin and Christina did a great job on this wedding. As normal, cupcakes and cake were amazing. And of course, Vanessa and Christina got to do the dollar dance together. Congrats to Christina and Austin Miller on one beautiful wedding. Now back to the brake job. More of a radiator job, but they get it.
where do you get this fuel cell out of here? A lot of process, but just what you got to do if you change fuels. You know, far be it from the guys that make the chassis to make an aluminum fuel cell and have a drain on the bottom of the fuel cell. They use these cheap plastic tanks because it's easy for them. And then when you want to switch fuels, you got to pull the fuel cell all the way out because the pickup here is halfway up there, so you never get all the fuel drained out of it. It's a cheap ass $100 fuel cell they put in these cars instead of just putting a nice fuel cell aluminum one with a drain in the bottom.
Here we are setting up as quick as we can. Very lucky that all the weather prevailed. We got all hands on deck to try to get this party to work.
just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
All in all, we had a really great day. We had Rachel, Maddie's, and Vanessa's family all stop down. It's always nice to be able to eat with everyone and put on a good party. Oh, here we go. Shit, that's a lot, isn't it? After we were done eating, we did s'mores on the campfire, as all good parties should have.
I got the perfect one. On God. If this gets burnt, Maddie's gonna kill me. What call on fire? Bring it back this way.
Although this isn't the normal drag racing video that we do, but we do want to just show you guys how our family operates and what we do.
1 second. How is that? You want more?
No, that's perfect. You did such a good job.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, do that again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. But one last thing before you guys go.
Also, we would like to congratulate Jake and Todd Nelson. Over the weekend on Sunday, Jake put the car in the final round and won the big check. That's a huge accomplishment considering it's a brand new car for these guys and a brand new engine combination. The engine combination is our tried and true 565 with our alcohol odometer on, and it's a natural fit in their car. And Jake took it right to the finals without anything missing a beat. Big congratulations to you guys. That's a big accomplishment.